Today we're upgrading our old lock and testing out a cool new fingerprint padlock from Megafeis. And this lock comes shipped to your door, ready to secure your items as well. Inside the box, you can find your user manual, a USB-C charging cable, and then your lock. To get started, download the app to your phone and connect to the lock. Spin the lock around and scan the QR code on the back of the lock. The lock pairs, and then you can name it. You can unlock it from in the app, or you can assign fingerprints. Click fingerprint and add a name. Then put your thumb on the lock in every position until the progress bar is filled. Click OK. Add any other fingerprints that you'd like to give access to, and then you're good to go. Next, put your thumb on the lock, and it unlocks in seconds. And now that it's all set up, I took it outside to replace our old lock. I threw that away, and then secured on the new lock. Now my barn is extra secure, and now I have peace of mind knowing that this door will stay shut. In the past, I've lost keys while working in the woods and around the farm. Now I don't have to carry keys on me, and don't need to worry about keeping track of them. I've been using this for about a week now, and it's so nice to be able to walk up and remove the lock with one hand. I even came back with really dirty hands at one point and wondered if it would work. And sure enough it did, and I was genuinely impressed. The lock is weather resistant and built to last. I've went in and out of this door a ton this week, and the battery level is still standing strong. It states that it can be used up to 6 months on standby, or 2,500 unlockings on a single charge. And I'm nowhere near that yet. The only downside I could see is that it doesn't come with a key for backup. In the case that it dies while locked, you have to bring out a portable power bank and charge it up a bit to unlock it. But the app gives you a battery percentage, so you can keep an eye on it and make sure it's always charged up and ready to go. And if that's not enough, the app allows you to add periodic and temporary users. This way, if you have other people that need to unlock it, they can have access when you want them to. Pretty cool. It even gives you an unlocking history, so you can see who used it and when. Overall, I'm really impressed and loving this new lock. So if you want to add some extra security to your house, barn, or even locker, this fingerprint lock for Megafeis might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go get some work done on the farm without carrying any keys. See ya.